How to fix missing microphone voice input on Samsung Galaxy keyboard. As you can see, there is no voice input option in my keyboard when I try to send any messages in the message application. So to fix that, first head over to your settings. Inside settings, general management, and inside general management, you head over to your Samsung keyboard settings right here, as you can see. And once you are inside here, you simply scroll down until you find the option called voice input. Once you click in here, just make sure it's not turned to none, it's either turned to either of these. So I will just select Samsung voice input, as it is Samsung. So once you do that, you can simply head back to your main screen, and as you can see inside your messages, let me just type in one message. As you can see, this is my Samsung A54 mobile. So in your Samsung Galaxy mobile, it will probably come up over here, around this option here. And once it comes, you can simply use it to text the voice message you want. Simply auto generate the voice message you want. So that is it, guys. That's exactly how you can change the voice message, send the voice message in the Samsung Galaxy mobile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.